Lost your Monster Legends account? Here's how to get it back in under a minute. Open the game and tap your avatar to open the profile menu. Tap the settings gear in the top right to open account or settings. Open account links and note if Facebook, Google Play, or Game Center is connected. If a service is linked, sign into that account on your device and reopen the game. If not linked, gather proof now. Screenshot your player ID, level, monster list, and any receipts. Next, go to Settings, then Help, and select Contact Support inside the game. Write a clear message with your player ID, device type, last login date, and a short ownership note. Attach screenshots of your player profile and any purchase receipts to prove ownership. If your account was linked to Facebook or Google, mention the linked email or username explicitly. Submit the request and watch your email for a reply from SocialPoint support. Once support verifies your info, they will reconnect or transfer your progress. Follow their instructions to restore access.